Hey everybody, we're forming a new Facebook group called New View Yard and Garden, and it is all about how to save you time and money in your yard and garden, because many of you have problems in your trees, bushes, yard, and gardens right now, just like this tree full of leaf-eating insects that can lead to disease that will kill it and costly repairs if you're going to try and cure the disease or replace it if it fails. Fruit trees that need special pruning, we get a lot of this. People like to grow their own fruit. Raised bed plantings to minimize competition and safety as well, because these particular ones that you see here, these white crepe myrtles, were planted over a buried electric cable and power lines. And so it allows you to plant anything, anywhere, as long as you don't dig into the ground. We have natural area creation and maintenance, these woolly natural areas surrounding your yard, especially in some of the newer houses, for soil formation and automatic plant feeding. We can show you all about that. We want to give you enough information so that you can avoid this kind of tree failure that is very costly in terms of removal cost, having somebody come in and do it, and what it costs you in terms of the value of the property. We are, as soon as you join, you're going to get a PDF that is downloadable that gives you a selection criteria for tree people, your landscape contractors, your grass mowers and blowers, and your gardeners as well. We have all four of those areas covered. We're going to accomplish this process of educating you and bringing you into the leading edge of our so-called tree protection actions because of the experiences we've had over the last 28 years. We've run into virtually every problem that you can think of. Most of the time we've come up with a successful solution, sometimes we haven't. But when it comes to trees, bushes, grass, and gardens, we've gone through a trial and error process that has been documented on all of these high definition videos demonstrating just how we go about treating these many and varied problems in the trees, bushes, grass, and gardens, the kind of things that you are likely to encounter. And we're highly interactive. Get on the phone and send us a text or communicate with us in some way, and we can answer these problems. You can always send us a picture. Click and join to get access to us and all of these proven protection actions. We don't show it until we know it, which is another way of saying you don't have to guess or experiment. We've already done that. We've spent 28 years and literally hundreds and hundreds of hours getting the right answer, and we've done that for you to be delivered in this group. I'm Barry Crabtree, a citizen of the planet and a certified arborist with the International Society of Arboriculture. We are all connected most immediately by this thing right here. It's telephone, actually a handheld computer, and we exchange information all the time with pictures and texts and emails, and it helps in all of the connections that we have with our customers to get the right decision at the right time. We also are connected by the fact that we are all residents of this little blue planet, Mother Earth, and it's the only one we have. We think that we ought to take care of it. I hope you do too. Our Facebook group is formed to share and connect all of what we've learned from our customers over 28 years in thousands of problem-solving situations that are just like yours. We carried a camera with us everywhere we went. We taped everything we did. We brought it into the studio. We cut it up and edited it and made sure that we can give you the best results of successful actions in the trees, bushes, grass, and gardens of people's yards that are just like you. The news most recently proves how our weather has become extremely dangerous, often with catastrophic and costly results of treasure and blood. We are all connected by our common desire to adapt our yard and garden maintenance practices to avoid these costly losses, and we're going to show you how to do it with these videos. So I want you to click and join. Why? To protect your property's value and your family's safety. Don't lose money by wasting time. Once you join, we have nearly perfected, a repeatable sequence to solve these tricky yard and garden problems that have proven time again to be highly successful. So click and join now to learn how we save money and time. And when you get on the inside, you're going to see each of these steps in great detail presented to you. You'll be able to choose what you want. You'll be able to get the answers you're looking for. And if you don't have the answer, you can always ask and you will get a response. It's golden. It will help. It'll save you time. It'll save you money. So get it started today.